Chris at BoardSort.com here with a video on how to sell scrap through our website. And at the top of our homepage, you will find a link to our sales menu in our menu bar, and also a link to the sales menu about halfway down the web page. If you click on that, it will present you with three options. One of those options is to sell scrap. The other is our test and buy program. And lastly, our invoice list. Let's click on sell scrap. This is where you can type in the weights of all the various grades of material that you're looking to sell. As you can see, we have quite a few. And as you scroll through all of these, there is a small shortcut menu that sticks to the very top of the page. And those are shortcuts to the various categories of scrap that we buy. For instance, as we scroll down, we can just shortcut right to the RAM. And let's put in 7 pounds, 3 ounces of RAM that we'd like to sell. We just put the 7 in the pounds area and the 3 in the ounces area. Let's also shortcut over to the CPUs. I happen to have some 486s that I'd like to sell. 1 pound, 2 ounces to be precise. And then after you type in all the various grades and weights that you have for sale, you can shortcut to the total part, which is down at the bottom. You'll notice there's this blank area that has all of the material that we just typed in, our 7 pounds, 3 ounces of gold-fingered RAM, and our 1 pound, 2 ounces of 486 gold cap chips. And the total payout for those is $356.56. If that looks okay to you, you go ahead and click the Sell This Material, and that will take you to the payout page where, again, it lists the material for sale, but it presents you with the options that you would like to have for payment, whether it be PayPal or a check by mail. Let's go ahead and click on PayPal and submit the sale. And here's the final invoice that we just generated. Again, the scrap that's for sale, but it also has a date that is considered your valid date. As long as you ship your material before this date, the quote will be honored. If the prices drop and you ship before then and it's postmarked before the date that it says, your price will still be good. If you ship after that date and the price drops, well, you'll probably have to get the lower price. There's also an invoice number, your name, and the address that you're going to ship the material to, along with some very important suggestions, such as don't use packing peanuts or shredded paper as filler. Always include a packing list with your name, your contact information, most importantly, how you would like to be paid, and always ship us the tracking numbers of the materials and the packages that you're going to ship to us. Once you generate the invoice, you can find it in the invoice listings, which is also linked to the main sales page here. So click on invoice list, and there's the invoice that you just generated. All future invoices that you generate will appear here, and they'll always be there for you to come back to look at later on. So back to the sales menu, we can now click on test and buy. This is where you enter in all the I-Series chips that you're looking to sell. So for each one that you have, you type in the quantity. For instance, I have 5 i7 4000 series, and I also happen to have 3 i5 9000 series. And if that's all I have, I select how I'd like to be paid. In this case, I'd like to be paid by PayPal again, and I submit that. I look at it. If everything's good, I agree and send it in, and here's my invoice. So now I have 2 invoices that I've generated, and I can show you by going back to the sales menu, clicking on invoice list, and there they are. There's our scrap, and there's our CPUs. And that is how you sell scrap on the BoardSort.com website. Thanks for watching.